What's going on, guys? Howtoadvance back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to fix a printer. If you stay until the end of the video, you will be able to learn these techniques and be on your way to applying them. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and check out the description box below. Now let's get into the video. Sometimes computers stop communicating with printers, or the printer freezes. It's extremely inconvenient because, of course, the printer seizes only when you're in a hurry. Because a printer contains a large number of mechanical and electronic components that must all work together, isolating the problem may take some time. Here's what to do if your printer isn't working. 1. Look for a faulty connection or a frayed cable. If you find one, that is most likely the source of the problem. 2. Check for a paper jam inside the printer. 3. Unplug the printer if you see paper under the platen or roller. 4. Pull the paper closer to you. Some printers have a manually operated paper release. Consult the manual to find out where to find it. Furthermore, there may be more than one sheet jammed, so ensure that you get every single page. 5. Examine the settings in the printer software and drivers. If anything has changed, revert to the original settings. 6. Clean and lubricate the printer according to the manufacturer's instructions. If you can't find the booklets, take the printer to a computer store or ask questions there. Usually, knowledgeable staff or someone from the service department will assist you. 7. Delete any recent print commands. 8. Restart your computer, turn it off for 10 to 15 seconds before resuming use. After restarting the computer, you may see a pop-up asking if you want to cancel the jobs that are waiting to be printed or try again. To be safe, cancel them. 9. Please try printing again. Don't be concerned if the printer did not receive the command. Once is enough. 10. Run the printer through a self-test. The computer does not even need to be turned on. This is possible with any printer. The self-test narrows the problem down to the printer and forces a printout that displays a list of the printer's current settings and options, as well as all print density and quality features. Printer heads in inkjet and bubble jet printers move back and forth as inkjets produce rows of dots that build images on the paper. Laser printers use a light-emitting diode, LED, to flash rows of lights on and off to the print drum. Unlike copiers, laser printers use toner rather than ink. Thank you for watching the entire video. Good luck and stay tuned.